Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to bind KuCoin to Google Authenticator. This process is crucial for adding an extra layer of security to your account, safeguarding your valuable digital assets. We'll walk through each step, ensuring your KuCoin account is protected with two-factor authentication, making it much harder for unauthorized individuals to gain access. Let's get started and secure your investments. First, you need to set up the Google Authenticator application on your smartphone. Head to your device's App Store, either the Apple App Store or Google Play, and search for Google Authenticator. Once downloaded, open the app. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to ensure your phone's date and time settings are set to automatic, as this helps with code synchronization. The app is now ready to receive your KuCoin account. Now let's bind your KuCoin account. Log into your KuCoin account and find the Account Security section, usually under your profile icon. Look for Google Verification and click Set or Link. You'll receive an email verification code, enter it. Next, KuCoin will display a QR code and a secret key. Open your Google Authenticator app, tap the plus icon, and either scan the QR code or manually enter the secret key. Finally, input the 6-digit code generated by the authenticator into KuCoin and click Activate. This code refreshes every 30 seconds. Securing your account doesn't stop at binding. It's vital to save the secret key or backup codes provided by KuCoin in a safe, offline place. This key is crucial for recovering access if you lose your phone or accidentally delete the app. Remember, do not delete the Google Authenticator app from your device without first unbinding it from KuCoin. Also, be aware that entering an incorrect code 5 times will temporarily lock your Google verification for 2 hours. Stay vigilant and keep your assets safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.